Presenting the Havells Aqua Plus 1.2-litre electric kettle in black color. The kettle has a cool touch outer body with no scalding hazard and a stainless steel interior with no plastic. With 1500 watts power, the kettle heats up water faster. The kettle features a wide mouth that makes it easy to fill, pour and clean. It comes with an auto shut-off feature, making it safe to use. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Most of us enjoy having a glass of warm water every morning and really wish there was an easier and quicker way to do so. If that's the case with you, then this is your ideal product. Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today we are going to be talking about the Kent Elegant Electric Glass Kettle. Now when I look at the glass kettle, it is actually quite large, it's quite big and it's very smooth. It has a beautiful black and silver finish and it is made of high grade borosilicate glass which doesn't break easily, and the top and the handle is made of high grade plastic so it doesn't heat up. It also has a power switch right over here and it has a push button to open the lid. Once you open the lid, you can see a small filter right in the front. This is basically to filter out any impurities that are there in the water. Now, if you look inside, you'll see that it has a stainless steel heating plate and which is covered with LED lights to show when the water is boiling. Now, the bottom is actually the power base, which has a heating coil right in the center and is quite sturdy and very light to hold. Now coming to the cord is short, so that means you can't really pull it and move it around too much, but it can fit into any 3-pin socket anywhere in your house. Now when I talk about the features, this product is very easy to use and it's quite convenient, so anybody in your house can use it. The best thing is that it has a 1.8 liter capacity, so that is the amount of water that you can boil, and the on and off switch actually helps you to understand when the water is completely boiled, so you don't need to physically go and switch it off. It will automatically shut off when the water starts boiling, and the LED lights give you an indication when the water is boiling. So you have 2 indicators actually, so it makes it completely safe to use as well. And what you can also be careful about is the fact that the power base should not have any water on it, and the entire unit is designed in a way that there is no water that will leak into the power base. So overall guys, I think the Kent Elegant Electric Glass Kettle is going to be an excellent addition in your house, and you can carry it anywhere you want. Since it's so compact, it's going to be your travel companion as well. So overall I think it's going to be a wonderful investment.
Hey guys, you are tuned into First Mart, the one place to get your dose of the best and latest in household care. Like always, we would be taking you through some amazing multifunctional products and share all their details to help stay up to date and make a smart choice. Today we have a very useful and versatile product, an electric kettle by Stovecraft Amaze. So without further ado, let's dive in. This 1.8 litre compact stainless steel kettle is a very sturdy appliance for preparing tea, hot water and more in no time. It has an elegant silver grey coloured body with a beautifully designed black ergonomical handle and sturdy base. It measures 19 cm by 19 cm by 23.5 cm and weighs just about 1.7 kg, making it extremely easy to maintain and operate or even carry around. It has a powerful voltage of 220 to 240 volt and 1500 watt power that makes this kettle so much more efficient than stove tops and microwaves. The kettle is a BPA-free product with a hygienic stainless steel body and a cool touch handle. It has an illuminated power indicator and cordless power base, making it super easy to operate. The super advanced features like automatic cutoff helps prevent excess power consumption as well as protect the kettle from any damages due to excessive heating. Comes with 360-degree swivel base and a single touch flip lid offering considerable convenience to the user. The massive 1.8 litre capacity is sufficient for the entire family, making it a super useful and versatile addition. As you have seen, the advanced features and technology can help you finish your cooking much faster and hassle-free. So guys, if you need to add one versatile and effortless appliance in your kitchen, then nothing should stop you from buying this amazing product. Hope you enjoyed watching the product. It's goodbye for now and see you soon with much more awesome products.
Soumya, and in this video I'll tell you about an electric kettle by Prestige. It is one of the smartest gadgets in my kitchen and I'll tell you why. This easy and attractive kettle has a capacity of 1.5 liters and is a pro at boiling water in almost no time. The water level indicator allows you to measure the exact amount of water you need, making the process simple and effective. The coolest feature of this kettle is that it automatically cuts off the power supply when the temperature inside the kettle exceeds the desired levels, thereby protecting the appliance from accidents and damages, and also keeping your electricity consumption in check. The kettle is easily detachable from its base, which makes it super convenient and portable. The only word of caution here is to only use this kettle for boiling water and no other liquids. This electric kettle have become a must-have utility and an essential in my kitchen. Give it a try and you'll become a fan too. Hey guys, this is Soumya, and in this video I'll tell you about an electric kettle by Prestige. It is one of the smartest gadgets in my kitchen and I'll tell you why. This easy and attractive kettle has a capacity of 1.5 liters and is a pro at boiling water in almost no time. The water level indicator allows you to measure the exact amount of water you need, making the process simple and effective. The coolest feature of this kettle is that it automatically cuts off the power supply when the temperature inside the kettle exceeds the desired levels, thereby protecting the appliance from accidents and damages, and also keeping your electricity consumption in check. The kettle is easily detachable from its base, which makes it super convenient and portable. The only word of caution here is to only use this kettle for boiling water and no other liquids. This electric kettle have become a must-have utility and an essential in my kitchen. Give it a try and you'll become a fan too.